Showing a notification bar or banner on your WordPress website is a classic way to grab your website visitors' attention. You can use this method to display a free shipping banner for an upcoming event or to promote a limited-time sale you are running. But what if you need to display multiple bars instead of just one? That's what we are going to cover in this video. In this video, we will show you how to show multiple notification bars in WordPress with Notibar. Welcome to the Ninja Team YouTube channel, where we will teach you everything related to WordPress. We will be using the premium version of Notibar for this video. You can find the plugin link in the description. Once you have installed and activated the plugin, open the customizer. Now go to the display settings. By default, the single bar display mode is selected. You need to change it to rotation. Switching to rotation will bring some additional configuration options. The first one you have is the rotation interval. This is the time between when Notibar switches to the next bar. 5 seconds is a good amount of time, but if you need to reduce or increase it, feel free to do it. Next is pause on hover. If a customer hovers the mouse pointer over a bar, you can pause the rotation. When you are redirecting visitors to a dedicated landing page via a button, this would be ideal. The next option will help you to show navigation arrows. When you have more than 2 notification bars on the site, you can let your visitors switch to the next or previous ones by enabling this option. Next is the rotation order. You can let it rotate based on the order you plan to use or randomize it. This is totally up to you. Now it is time to add some bars to this configuration. To do that, click the Add Your First Bar button. If you have already created a bar, you can select that one. Here, we will create a bar to promote our free shipping offer. Once that is done, move to the next bar. For this one, we will be promoting our new eBook collection we dropped. For the third bar, we will show a newsletter sign-up promotion that lets people join our email list and receive a 10% discount coupon. We will add only 3 bars. You can add as many notification bars as you need. You can also reorder the bars as you like. And if you check the live preview wizard, you can see the bars rotate at our interval. You can publish the changes and check the website from the front end. You will see the live action. Well, that's it. As you can see in the video, Notibar would be a good companion for your website if you need to show single or multiple notification bars without any hassle. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this one interesting, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to comment below what you think about this video too. See you in the next one.